So today I'll be showing you how to make calls with your Powerbeats Pro tools. Now we're going to be doing this without touching the phone, just making calls and ending that particular phone call. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Powerbeats Pro app. So just go to settings on your iPhone or on the dedicated app if you have Android, and make sure your Powerbeats are connected so that you're able to access the Powerbeats Pro app. So once you launch the Powerbeats Pro app, you want to customize the press and hold controls on one of the earbuds to use Siri, because you're going to be using Siri to make these phone calls. So whether it's the left or the right earbud, it's up to you. I'm gonna go for the left one. So if I go left, and instead of having that particular button change noise controls, I'm gonna set it to Siri, so that I can now call on Siri to make phone calls for me. Okay, so once I set it to Siri, as you can see, anytime I'm wearing my earbuds, I can always press on this button, long press, actually not press, just long press on this button, as you can see, and that's going to activate Siri. Okay, so now I can have Siri call anyone with the phone in my pocket. I can just make a phone call. So here we go. So assuming I'm wearing the earbuds, long press, call WebPro office, and as you can see, that makes that particular phone call, and it's gonna connect obviously to my Powerbeats Pro tools. I can speak, I can hear, and when I'm ready, I just double press on that button and that ends that particular call. So that is basically how to make calls with your Powerbeats Pro tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.